Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how we can process a return in Shopify. Guys, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, currently I am under orders page on Shopify. So I'll show you how do we navigate over there. So under home, we need to click on orders and then guys, the orders page will appear. Then guys, we need to select the order for which we need to process the return request. So let me open this. Okay. So if you see the order has been fulfilled, that means the order has been delivered to the customer. And now I want to basically process the return request because customer doesn't want the product. Okay. So for that we need to click on return option over here. As soon as we click on return option, the returns and exchange page will open. Over here we need to basically we'll see the details of the order. So the order number will be shown and what was the product inside the particular order. So now we need to add the quantity. Okay, so as soon as we add the quantity, the amount will appear. So if you see, now the amount will be shown. Okay, and we need to select the return reason. So what basically what customer has complained, so we need to select that. So we can select that, and we need to also select the exchange item, the items to be sent to the customer. Okay, so now let's do this. If you don't want this exchange item, then you can ignore it, but if you want to send a exchange item, then you can add one. So now let's add one. Okay, let's add basically this one. Okay, let me add this one. So I have added this. We can also apply a discount if we want. Okay, so let's give the discount as 150. Okay, and let's see, apply. Okay, there you go. Because to basically keep the customer happy, you need to do something good, right? So you are giving a exchange item plus you are giving a discount also. Then guys, if you have a return shipping basically label, then you can upload it over here so that you get from the shipping partners. Okay, you can upload it over here. Then add the tracking number so that whatever you get from the shipping partners like blue dart and also upload over here and select the shipping partner. So there you go. And then guys, over here if you see, the summary of the order will be shown, an amount to collect and all, because some shipping charges will be also there, because on our store shipping charges are also, that's why the amount is shown as 106.66. Okay, so what we can do is that now let's create a return request. So we need to click on this particular button. As soon as we click on it, a return request will be created. So now if you see the return in progress, so this is how it works. So now let's go again back under orders, and guys, let's see the order. So if you see, this is the order, so I'll click again on it, and now again if we can see the details. So this is the order that was placed, and this is the order that is written in progress. Okay, sorry, this is the order that was placed and this is the order that is being basically given again to the customer. So this is how the return functionality works in Shopify.